StatumUSA.com is changing the autoclave industry one client and one autoclave at a time. Are you curious about autoclave preventative maintenance? Do you want to extend the life of your Scican, Midmark, or Tuttnauer Autoclave? Do you desire to spend less in repairs? StatumUSA.com is here to help. We have a free autoclave preventative maintenance program. How does it work? All you have to do is sign up, and it's absolutely free. We will call you according to the maintenance schedule of your Scican, Midmark, and Tuttnauer Autoclaves on time, every time, and the best part about it, you're free to focus on your daily tasks and not have to worry about what your autoclave needs and when. We handle it with your free sign-up. Visit us at StatumUSA.com and click on the free promotion or call us at 704-966-1650. What are the benefits of our free program? No more guesswork or worrying. Should I do maintenance every 3 months? Should I do maintenance every 6 months? Do I even need maintenance? Autoclave preventative maintenance extends the life of your units. Proper maintenance means less last-minute problems on a very busy day, and you now have a relationship with people you can trust to help keep money in your pocket. We offer free technical support via the phone to prevent the cost of an in-house service call. We also offer free how-to videos for the time-crunched individual you can learn on your own time. What exactly is required and recommended? We service any make and model of Scican, Midmark, and Tuttnauer Autoclaves. With that said, we work according to the manufacturer recommendations to ensure your unit remains operating at its optimal capacity. Visit us at StatumUSA.com or call us at 704-966-1650.